Young and old, short or tall, everybody loves pizza. So why order out when you can make your own Italian treat? Try our homemade easy peasy cheesy pizza. Crispy, crunchy, and oh so simple. Homemade easy peasy cheesy pizza. First start with 3 cups bread or high-gluten flour. And then add 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of rapid rise yeast, and then mix in 1 1/3 cups of warm water. This recipe makes enough for 2 good-sized pizzas. Now knead for 4 minutes and then cover. Let your dough rise for an hour. Next, grease up your baking sheet with a tablespoon of oil, then half your dough and spread it to the edges. For a thicker crust, just add more dough. Make your dough smooth and avoid making holes. Now that's a crust. For some zesty flavor, add 24 ounces of your favorite pizza or pasta sauce and spread it on evenly over your crust. Then load on your favorite cheeses, mozzarella, parmesan, provolone, and then add on your toppings. You want pepperoni, sausage, veggies, more cheese? You're the chef, it's whatever you want. Lastly, place your pizza in a preheated oven set to 450 degrees and bake until golden brown. 12 minutes. Now it's pizza time. Slice it up, dole it out. A super delish dish that no one can resist. Made fresh and not boxed. Homemade easy peasy, cheesy pizza.